how to delete your Amazon account. So basically, if you would like to delete your Amazon account, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Amazon application right here and make sure that you are logged into the account that you would like to delete. After that, tap on the account like icon from the bottom of the navigation menu. From there, under your account, you simply have to go to the see all button that you can see next to your account. So once you go to the see all option next to your account, scroll down all the way to the very bottom until you find under manage your data an option that says close your Amazon account. Tap on the close your Amazon account button right there, and it will ask you to read everything carefully, so make sure you've read everything over here. And once done, scroll down, select yes, I want to permanently delete it, and also choose a region and tap on the close my account button to close your Amazon account for good. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then close or delete your Amazon account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.